In this lecture, I'm going to show you the layers panel and how it works. As you can see, we have multiple layers here inside the composition. But if you can't see the layers panel, go to the window menu and choose layers. Now notice that each one of these layers has an eyeball in front of it. If you click on the eye, you're going to turn the layer off. So I will click on the eye once again and it will bring back the layer. Also, you can hide and show all other layers by pressing the Alt key and then clicking the eyeball. And this will turn off all the other layers. And I can bring them all back by Alt clicking on the eye once again. You can rename a layer by double clicking on its name and then giving it a name. To add a new layer to a document, you can either click the new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel, which creates a new layer and Photoshop names it automatically, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-N and give it a name right away. You can move layers above and below each other in the layers panel simply by dragging them. When a layer is highlighted, it means it's currently the active layer. Anything we do in the document is done to the contents of the active layer. Each time we add a new layer, Photoshop automatically makes it the active layer. But we can manually change which layer is the active layer simply by clicking on the layer we need. To delete a layer, click on it and drag it down onto the trash bin icon at the bottom of the layers panel. You can also delete a layer simply by pressing backspace. To copy a layer, click on it and drag it down onto the new layer icon. Or you can get the same result simply by pressing Ctrl-J. And that was, my friends, a brief introduction to the layers panel.